Okay, welcome everyone. As you can see in the title, I'm going to teach you how to download the Hamster Kombat app. Well, it's very simple. If you go to the Play Store and Hamster Kombat is not appearing like this, you have to do the next thing. You have to go to the Play Store and find Telegram. Then you have to install Telegram. And once you're in Telegram, you have to see that you have a search bar. So what we do in that search bar? You have to search Hamster Combat until you find the Hamster Combat bot, and then you will be able to ask the bot to give you the download. So that's the solution if you can find Hamster Combat here in the Play Store, and it works also for Apple. So if this video was useful for you, please subscribe, comment, share, like, press the bell in the subscription button, and see you in a next easy way video. Remember that there are more tutorials for us, so see you, goodbye.